Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got PW back in the building again, and this guy is steady doing his thing. Now, we do have a giveaway for these watch faces that we're going to review today. We got 2 in all. We got 4 for the US, and we got 6 for Canada. That's it, that's all. Cool? All right, you all, let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review at the Hux World, and today we got a couple awesome watch faces to check out that PW, and this first one is nice. It's called PW83. I'm giving them 2 thumbs up in the door because it's continuing with the rotating bezel, and that thing definitely works. Now in the always on mode, you know, it gives you a nice digital time. Pretty much you're going to get the same look as you will in always on as you do when the watch face is on, but when it's on, it is pretty much lit up, and I like the info. I like the way it's laid out. At the top, you're going to get info on floors, climb, your heart rate, steps, and as you can see, I've been slacking 15,000. You guys know that's not me. And you also get calories burned. You get nice digital time. In the middle, you come down, you're going to get your battery percentage right there. On the opposite side, you will get your step goal completed. I'm at 71%. I'm feeling really bad about that. And you also get your date and your day and your year down at the bottom. So what I like about it is that also it is interactive. So if you tap in all 4 corners of the watch face, you can go in and get to certain applications, especially your weather, which is very vital, very important to me. You get your calendar, things of that nature. And if I double tap in the center, I can customize the color of the lines, give it a different look depending on what I'm wearing for that day or what my favorite color is. And I'm liking it, guys. What do you think? I thought PW definitely got down on this one. All right, so hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Remember, this is a giveaway, so you guys comment. And let's go on. Let's check out watch face number 2. This one is called PW82, and he got down on this one as well. As you can see, he's continuing with the rotating bezel that I love so much. And in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get your digital time, and it's going to give you your step status info. I know that's important to a lot of people, and it's there. All right, so when the watch face is on, you're going to get the name of the watch, which is called gear at the top. I kind of like that, right? And then you come down, you're going to get your digital time, your date. I'm liking this look, right? Very different. And you're also going to get your step status info, heart rate, steps, calories burned, floors climbed, things of that nature, right? But what's really nice about the watch face is that he gives you shortcuts. I mean, you got a shortcut here, you got your music, you also get the calendar over there, you got your settings, and it is interactive, so you can single tap on it and go right into it. Even these you can go into if you want to check out the email, make a phone call, and if you want to go and check your text messages, things of that nature, calories burned. All of these things work. I'm loving it. And of course, these are your meters for your battery and also your step goal. I'm liking it. I thought it was an awesome look. I thought PW definitely got down on this watch face. And again, it is a giveaway. So comment you all so you all can qualify for the giveaway. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.